Welcome to another episode of Class Haven Farms. So what do we got going on today? Well, today we're going to do an unboxing of the VEVOR lawnmower blade sharpener. So stay tuned and let's see how this thing works out for us. So if this is your first time here at the channel, welcome. My name is Andy and this is Class Haven Farms. So as some of you know, I have a good bit of acreage that I have to cut here at Class Haven Farms. Now the eventual game plan is on our bottom pasture field is to end up doing hay out of it so that I'm not having to cut it with the zero turn as much. But for the time being, I spend a good bit of time cutting our pasture field with our 62-inch. So I'm not really sure what happened there. I was recording and I thought I got a video of me taking this out of the box, but I guess I didn't. I don't know. I will say this, now that I have it completely out of the box, although you guys didn't get to see that, looks like everything is there. Yeah, so we could probably just get some safety glasses and some hearing protection and get going with this. It does come with another sharpening stone or sandpaper, whatever you want to call it. Probably sandpaper. That's basically what it is. But it gives you two discs, so for the front and back. Looks like it gives you some new guides. Here's the biggest reason why I went with this one. Obviously, one, because we are an affiliate with the company, but also because it's already got the 30-degree angle. That is what you want for your lawnmower blades. So I'm not having to sit there with a grinder and kind of do it that way. This definitely seems like it's going to be the way to go, especially with how much I sharpen up blades. And of course, now that everybody knows that I have this, I'm sure I'm going to be getting a bunch of phone calls. Hey man, can I drop some blades off at your house? Sure. All right, so let me go get some eyeglasses and hearing protection, and we'll get this thing going. And really quick, before I get going on this, if you watched our last video, which I'll link up here at the top, stay all the way to the end of this video, and I will show you who's going to be the winner for this Grub Terra Black Soldier Fly larva giveaway. Again, the rules for this was needed to be located in the 50 states. So if you were outside of the United States, sorry, but you can't enter this contest. Someone inside the 50 states, you needed to leave a comment on the last video that we did with the word grub incorporated into your comment. And you needed to leave a comment from the time I shot that video until you had till midnight of Wednesday, May 1st in order to leave a comment. So there was 4 of you that left a comment. So we will be picking between one of those 4 of you. You guys all left grub in your comment, and we'll see who's going to get this. So make sure you follow all the way through, and we'll talk about who's going to win that. All right, I'm going to move some of this stuff out of the way. I got some blades here that I need to get onto the John Deere zero turn. So we'll go ahead and get rolling on these and see how this thing works. So I will say this, the one thing that I do like is with this being so square, you really get to see kind of how uneven this is so you can clean it up. Now, I haven't done this backside yet, which is what you use this side for. So here on this side is what you do here on this top, and then the backside you use this. Well, the one thing that I like to do so that I make sure I'm keeping so I make sure I'm keeping the blades balanced is I just have a old school balancer just to let me know if these blades are balanced. So let's go get that thing and get that set up on level ground, and we'll try that out and see how much more material I need to take off here on the back on both sides. But I'll tell you, man, pretty impressed. Really not a whole lot to it. I still think, it's just kind of gauging how to use it and how to do it right. I'm sure some of you are probably going to look at this and say all kinds of bad stuff about me because I don't know what I'm doing, but first time I've ever used it, I'm actually pretty impressed with how quick I got to that point. All right, so this is my balancer. It's really not much to it. Just kind of gives me an idea how balanced this blade is. I don't want a blade that's not balanced because then it's going to make it feel like it's all over the place. So this isn't too bad. See, pretty good, pretty even. So now what we're going to do is we'll go on the opposite side and we'll do these back sides, get them cleaned up. All right, let's see where we're at. Too bad. Looks like I need to take a little bit more off on this side. Of course, the wind's blowing. Yep, a little bit more on this side. All right, let's see what this looks like. Yep, looks pretty good. I'm really impressed with that thing. Definitely takes the guesswork out of it. And you can knock all of them out at the same time. Yeah, I don't know. Pretty good product in my opinion. All right, let's both sides here. Let's see how sharp it is. I mean, it's definitely cutting it. Huh. I don't know, man. I'm pretty impressed with that thing. Definitely just takes all the guesswork out of it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. All right, let's get these blades swapped out. All right, so let's see what these sharpened blades look like once we get cutting. You good? Is the food here? Is the food here?
Yeah.
Oh, it is? Did they drop it off already?
I got the door.
Okay. Did you get it from them?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you're in a YouTube video. Looks pretty good. Just give you guys kind of an idea of the height difference. I had just cut this field last weekend, so, and this is pretty heavy field grass. You could see I had a bunch of spots here where it was really tall. Oh, look at that. One of my neighbor's dog toys. You can see where I had some patches. That's because the other set of blades that I had on there were just dull. But, man, pretty impressed with this thing. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I think I saw another one of my neighbor's dog toys over here. I better grab that for him. Let me know what you guys think. I'm pretty happy with that. It's definitely going to be the way to go for sharpening all my lawnmower blades. And I guess I'll take you guys inside and we'll do the giveaway for the 1 pound bag of Grub Terra black soldier fly larvae. Just stay tuned. So let's go ahead and give away this free 1 pound bag of Grub Terra black soldier fly larvae. So let me go here, go into the original video that I did from last week, and we will copy the link there. And then come back down and go over to this YouTube random comment picker and place that video here into the search. And we will go ahead and fetch our comments. Again, we had 4 comments on this one to see who our winner will be. So anything goes. Continue. And let's pick a winner. So our winner is Professor Pending 8315, new sub. Hey, from East Kentucky. I've been grubbing myself to extend my garden area for watermelon. Enjoyed your video and glad it was in my recommended area today. So awesome. All right, so we got a new subscriber and you are our winner. So if you could, go ahead and shoot us an email at classhavenfarms@gmail.com and give me your shipping information and I will verify who you are and we will get this free 1 pound bag of Grub Terra out to you. So congratulations. So that will wrap it up for us here. Again, hope you guys like this little giveaway thing. Grub Terra is a great company to work with. There is a link down in the description for this if you would like to make a purchase. And congratulations to our winner. And also, if you liked the lawnmower blade sharpener, make sure you click the link down at the bottom through the VEVOR company. Again, we are an affiliate with them. So if you do make a purchase based off of that link, it helps the channel out. We really appreciate it. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.